How to turn off Safe Search on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off Safe Search on Android. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. If you feel like your web browsing is being a little too safe, while Safe Search can help filter out explicit content, it can sometimes block perfectly good websites and information. If you are looking to regain full control over your search experience, turning off Safe Search on your Android device is the way to go. Let's unlock the full potential of your browsing by diving into the steps to disable the Safe Search. Launch the Google application on your device. Or instead, you can also open your preferred browser like Chrome or Safari or Firefox. After that, select the profile icon at top right corner of the screen. A menu box appears on your screen where you can simply select Safe Search and then you will land on the Safe Search page where currently it has been set to blur, which helps blur explicit images but explicit text and links may show. But if you want to turn off completely, tap the off button which helps to source all relevant results even they are explicit. Once you do that, you have successfully turned off Safe Search on Android. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.